Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for coming to my exhibition. My name is Vivian, and today I will be sharing about my PYP exhibition project with you. My topic is pollution and environment. I chose this topic is because I notice many people ignore pollution and don't realize how serious it is for our planet. And I want to learn more about how pollution works, how humans are involved, and what we can do to help. My central idea is human choices have a significant impact on the environment. That means the decisions we make every day, what we throw, how we travel, what we buy can help or harm the earth. Pollution is not just a problem in one place. It is something that affects the entire world, and we all have a role in fixing it. Lines of inquiry number 1. Types of pollution and environmental impact. There are 5 major types of pollution I want to talk about. Air pollution, water pollution, light pollution, noise pollution, and land pollution. Air pollution is caused by driving cars, building factories, and factory smoke. Air pollution can also cause breathing problems like getting lung cancers, and it can also affect the animals like birds. And water pollution happens when humans throw trash, oil, or chemicals into the ocean. When the sea animals like turtles and fish, they might think that is food and eat it, and they might get sick or maybe die. And our human might get sick too, because our human eat seafood. If we eat the seafood that has eaten the plastic, we will get sick. Light pollution, caused by when at night we use too much energy, and it will waste the energy and block us from seeing the star. It also can let the birds and insects lose their direction. Noise pollution, caused by making loud sound like cars, airplanes, and buses. And when like birds, they might get confused and might get scared and leave their home. Land pollution, caused by throwing trash on ground or landfill. And this pollution releases a bad smell. And it can also spread a lot of germs. Lines of inquiry number 2. What activities cause pollution? There are different types of activities can cause pollution. Most of the pollution is caused by humans, like factories, cars. This is the examples. But different activity can cause different pollution. Like cars can cause air pollution, throwing trash into ocean can cause water pollution, and throwing trash on ground can cause land pollution. But pollution can also be caused by the nature, like volcano eruption, wildfire, and animal waste. Volcano eruption can make the air become very bad, and it will have a lot of smoke. And wildfire will release a lot of smoke. And animal waste will spread a lot of germs. How pollution and environment affect each other? Pollution and environment affect each other like a cycle. When pollution affects the environment will become very bad. And when environment affects the pollution, it can reduce pollution. Like when environment you plant a lot of trees, it can make the pollution become less and less. Challenge I faced when I doing this exhibition. The first challenge I faced was too much information for me to organize. And when I worked hard, I found out a way. That is, choose some information but not all. The second challenge I faced is how to explain simply. I found a way to explain simply to the audience like you. IB Learner Profile. There are 3 IB Learner Profiles I become when I'm doing this exhibition. I become an inquiry because I ask a lot of questions about my topic, pollution, and environment. And I was also caring because I want to let our world become better and reduce pollution. I also was principal because I take this responsibility seriously. ATL reflection. There are 3 kinds of ATL reflection I become. There are research skill, thinking skills, and communicate skill. Research skill is to collect a lot of information, and thinking skills is to make connections. Communicate skills is to share my idea clearly. Key concepts. My key concept is form, change, and responsibility. Like form is pollution is like a disaster that can destroy the environment. Now I will talk about my action plans. I made a 3D models of one side the earth is clean and another side is dirty. Like you can see, at the dirty side it have trash, and at the clean side have a lot of trees. And I designed a PowerPoint of examples of pollution and how we can solve it. And I create a handout for visitors to take home. In conclusion, I hope you learn how serious is pollution and why we need to solve this together. Thank you for coming to my exhibition. And if you have any question, I'm really happy to answer. And if you want to give me some feedback, there are pens and paper to write. Thank you.